Welcome to our vlog!
Hey guys, happy Saturday. Another I can't really say that it's a spur of the moment, pero we have been parang going back and forth kung tutuloy, hindi, pero ending tutuloy tayo. It's already 11:48 and we are going to Red Deer, Alberta, sa Canyon Ski Resort. Pero syempre walang skiing kasi summer. Merong parang tawag is alpine coaster. Basta hindi natin, I don't really know exactly what to expect. Nakita ko lang din sa kaklase ko na nagpunta and sa TikTok syempre. So yeah, it's a 1.5 hour drive. Kaya we should go na. Oh my gosh. Kanina pa kasi nag-decide kung tutuloy ba o hindi. Sabi ko kay Daddy, ikaw nang mag-decide dahil ikaw naman ang driver. So, finally, nag-decide na siya. Kasi naiirita na nga ako eh. Kaya medyo mainit na yung ulo niya. Mainit na din yung ulo ko. Mag-start tayo ng mainit ang ulo. Ay, nako. We'll see. Pero, yeah, but let's try to enjoy the day. Nasa kotse na silang lahat. So, magsasapatos na lang ako. And then, let's go. Okay, guys. Change of plans tayo. Hindi na kami natuloy doon sa what you call that? Sa Red Deer, Alberta. And sabi ni Daddy parang hindi daw worth it yung bayad sa gagawin namin. So, we are here now sa Callaway Park. Parang Enchanted Kingdom. First time namin lahat dito. So, yeah, let's see. It's ano na, mag 2 o'clock na. Let's go. Okay, nakapila si Daddy for the ticket kasi hindi kami bumili online. And then, presyuhan. Kaya kami pumunta ng after 2 kasi mas mura na yung after 2. So, kesa sa 54, 38 na lang isa. So, yeah, I feel like enough time na rin pa rin naman yan. Let's see. Ang init nga lang. We're inside. Pero hindi namin si Daddy nag-CR. Hanggang 7 o'clock to, so we have 5 hours to roam around. This is until 7. It's open until 7, so we have 5 hours to explore. So yeah, tapos niyaya din pala ni Daddy yung ano, niyaya ni Daddy yung isang tropa niya na may anak din.
Okay, let's start walking to something.
We're gonna meet here. Okay, let's go. I think first ride will be what? What do you want?
Bumper boat. Blaster. Just the closest one.
Bumper boat.
Mother.
Let's go. Wait, I'll take a picture.
Oh! What?
Oh, there you go, Zach, look.
Well, that's so boring. Oh.
We could all go together.
It's not fun.
Well, I don't want to be able to go on a car.
Spin it.
Huh?
Spin it.
Yeah. I think somebody's dizzy.
Nope. Wow. It's not that scary.
It's 6 o'clock na. Kanina mga 5, I think. Magpo 5, umulan. Pero ngayon, back to ano na, parang walang nangyari. So, umulan ng mga siguro 15 minutes. And then, humupuan na. So, nung umulan, syempre, nakapos yung mga rides. And after that, diretso ulit. Anyway, si Daddy nasa roller coaster, nakapila. Tapos yung mga bata, nandun nakapila. Ito. Para siyang ano, nasa ibabaw ng tubig yung ride. Natamad akong tumayo eh. Kasi hindi ito yung mga gamit. Nakabantay ako. So, yeah. Hintayin ko lang sila matapos. And, it's ano na eh, 6:05. 6:06. So, uwian na rin ito maya-maya. Init ulan. Masaya yung sinakyan namin kanina pero bawal yung phone or bawal any electronics kasi nga mababasa ng tubig. Yung parang log ride sa Enchanted Kingdom, parang gano'n. Tatlo lang kami kasi nga si Daddy nagbantay ng gamit. So, tatlo lang kami sumakay. Pero hindi ako nakapag-vlog. Pero ang tataka ko, paano yung nakita ko sa TikTok, naka-video siya. So, akala ko pwede, pero I don't know kung kailan yung video na yun. I forgot. Anyway. Yeah, bangers. Marami din palang mga ano dito, mga stall ng mga food like hot dogs, burgers, chicken strips, chicken fingers, mga ganon. So, okay na din, pero kasi kami, ano, diba, kumain kami muna bago pumunta dito. Tapos, nung umulan, nag-break kami. Kaya nga bumili kami. Pero, nag-ice cream sila at saka snow cone. Kung kailan umuulan. Ako, hindi ko nagutom eh. So, hindi ako bumili. Pero, we'll see mamaya bago umuwi. So, yeah. Zeb! Drive it! Zach, drive it! Ooh. Oh no! Go! Zach, squat some more! Yeah, go! Woo! Okay guys, uwian na!
I got a cool hammer.
How is it? How's your rating?
10 out of 10.
What's your...
Good out of 10.
What's your... Wait lang, it's blurry, wait. Okay. What's your rating?
10 out of 10.
Callaway Park, okay? And your most favorite ride is the...
Well, ride?
Ocean Motion. The ship?
No. Not at all.
Ride.
What's your favorite ride?
Let me think.
It's not a ride. I think it's the.
I like the log ride. It was
The
scary,
log.
but it was fun. My rating is leg sore out of 10. And my favorite ride was like the first one we did, like just the big swing, yeah. So yeah, Timber Falls was fun. AKA the log ride, in case you don't know the name.
AKA. Okay. It's 7:23. Nakahabol pa sila dun sa last na 2 beses sila dun sa balloon popping thing. Balloon popping. So yeah, let's go. Ilang minutes yung ride dito, Daddy? Ilang minutes yung drive?
So that is at
Uwi,
30
minutes. Okay. Lagkit na, we're all gonna take a bath. So,
I'm doing it first. I'm doing it second.
I'm doing third.
And father doesn't get to.
Hey guys! Nakalimutan ko na mag-end ng vlog. Alas 10 na. Tapos lang maligo. Si Daddy naliligo pa. Pagod. Tapos pasok na naman bukas. Parang biglang nakakapangsisi na nagpagod ka today. Anyways. Yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog. It's highly recommended naman. I feel like sulit naman. Lalo na kung you're going in at, well, ewan ko, hindi ko masabi kung masusulit mo yun. Kasi kung papasok ka ng after 2, mas mura yung babayaran mo. But feeling ko, parang hindi enough to ride everything. Depende. Yeah, pero sabi ko nga, parang need balikan kasi madami pa kaming hindi na-explore banda. So, kung babalik ka ng 2 beses sa 38, edi might as well doon ka na sa 50 plus. Yung whole day from 10 to 7. Pero grabe yung pagod. Tsaka nakadagdag din yung umulan. So, nag-stop for a while. And then, meron mga rides na mabilis lang yung pila. Mabilis lang yung galaw ng pila. Pero may mga rides na medyo matagal. But yeah, overall, it was a fun experience. Siyempre, hindi mo siya may compare sa Universal Studios sa Singapore. Hindi siya pang ganong level. But, pwede na para sa mga edad ng mga kids. Kasi, pag sobra namang intense and matataas, hindi naman willing sumakay yung mga yan. So, sakto lang sa age nila. So, yun guys. I don't know. Hindi ko pa na nga na-edit yung vlog ko last week. We'll see. But I'm gonna end this vlog. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye! Good night!